I'm a media operator. Of course, bawal tayong malate.
I'm an audio operator. Of course, ako ang pinakamaaga sa lahat.
I'm Yuyundulos Dancers. Of course, masaya ko kay Lord bisag nasakitan ko.
I'm an usher. Of course, hindi ako late at palagi ako nakasmile.
I'm a live streaming operator. Of course, set up na lahat.
I'm a worship leader. Of course, memorize na ko ang lyrics.
I am a backup singer and a worship leader. Of course, I ask the Holy Spirit before I stand.
I'm a guitarist. Of course, inaral ko na ang mga routine.
Hi, I'm a bass player. And of course, lagi ako connected sa aming bassman at drummer.
I am a keyboardist. Of course, dili ko maapilog practice kung dili ko makasipradaan.
I am a drummer. Of course, hindi lang ako palo ng palo. Nakikinig din ako sa bandmates ko and most especially, nakikinig ako at tinitingnan ko yung mga signs ng worship leader.
We are worship team, of course, with